Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you today? I really hope that everybody is doing great, doing fine, wherever you are. I really hope that everybody is staying at home. Okay. For today, we're going to look at a new topic. But before we move on to the new topic, please recite your dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. اللهم افتح علينا حكمتك وانشر علينا من خزائن رحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم ربي زدني علما وارزقني فهما رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم والحمد لله رب العالمين. Alright. Class. Our topic for today is collective nouns, or probably in Bahasa Melayu we can call it penjodoh bilangan. I'll explain further. Here are the 4 main agendas for this episode. Number 1, I'm going to explain to you the lesson objectives and also the step to success. Number 2, we're going to look at what is collective nouns. Number 3, we're going to look at some of the examples. And number 4, I'm sure everybody loved this assignment. Alright, so what do you understand by the words collective or collection? As you can see from the pictures attached, it says a collection. It doesn't say as a one, it's a collection. I'm sure you know what's collection, right? Okay, it usually comes in many. Okay, don't worry. Let's move on. Dear students, collective nouns is not something new for you. Actually, the closest term in Bahasa Melayu, collective nouns can be called as penjodoh bilangan. For example, setandan pisang, semangkuk beras, seikat sayur. That is actually some of examples of penjodoh bilangan. So collective nouns also can be counted as penjodoh bilangan, right? So that you easy to understand. Alright, so what are the lesson objective and the step to success? The objectives for these lessons are, at the end of this video, you will be able to define collective nouns or CN, and you will be able to demonstrate the use of collective nouns. How are you going to achieve that? Number 1, you're going to review your nouns. I really hope that everybody still remember what is nouns. And you need to recognize the list of collective nouns, and you need to apply the correct collective noun to the nouns. Collective nouns to the nouns. So what is collective nouns? A collective noun is the name of a number of persons, animals, or things grouped together and spoken as one whole. For example, a group of monkeys, a bowl of rice, a bunch of grapes. So it has many inside it, but you spoke that as a one whole. Okay? Here are some of the examples. Common collective nouns used for things. Now look at the picture. It says an album of stamps, a collection of coins, a library of books, a pack of cards, a ream of paper, a bowl of rice, a chest of drawers. Remember, you need to put a inside it because you're talking as one, but one whole. Okay? So the common collective nouns used for animals. Okay, this is interesting. Look at the green column. It says an army of ants. Okay, a catch of fish, a hive of bees. Now let's look at the pink one. A cloud of insects, a clutter of spiders. And look at the blue one. A troop of lions, a flock of chickens. Okay. Now let's see common collective nouns used for people. Let's look at from the blue column. It says a crew of sailors, a crowd of people, a gang of prisoners. Look at the pink one, a party of friends, a patrol of policemen. Now again, let's look at the green one, an army of soldiers, a mob of rioters, a group of dancers. Okay? Alright, let's move on and try this simple exercise. And please pause this video to answer this one. And grab a pen, a paper, and try to do it on your own. Now, look at number 1. A bowl of rice. A collection of. Choose the noun on the right column. A bowl of. A bouquet of. This is simple. A slice of. This is even simple. And a bale of. Something like that. Okay, I want you to try by yourself, and then take a picture and then forward it to me. Can you? Here comes the most anticipated one. I know you love assignment, isn't it? Okay, so please check your Google Classroom and answer collective nouns task exercise, or I will give you the link in our WhatsApp group. Good luck! Have a try, everybody. Okay, thank you. Jazakumullahu khairan kathira. I really hope that everybody is trying to finish the assignment given. Okay. Alright, so what questions do you have? If you have questions, please contact me at my number. You know how to reach me, or you can email me your question. Okay, until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.